So today we get to change the pump of a zx6r Kawasaki. Well, first of all, I noticed the bike didn't really want to start. So I changed everything, spark plugs, I checked the wirings, I checked the coils. I only left to this last option, which is the petrol pump. So I stripped it, and yeah, I'm gonna change it, and I'm gonna let you guys know. It's a beautiful day. I got my long trees up in here. My dog's just waking up and shaking. You can hear them. But yeah, man, I got this R1 here that I still gotta get to. In the meantime, though, let's uh, let's fix this Kawasaki. Let's get it started. Let's see. First, I had to obviously remove the pump, and then I fitted a new pump on it. I won't tell you guys which pump I put because that's probably for another video. But I didn't have to buy a pump. I just made a plan with a new one, and I fitted it in. And all there was left to do was fit on the screws, make sure it fits in perfectly. I still had some fuel up in the tank, so just needed some time to finish it. So let's see. Once I was done fitting all the screws on, I brought the tank inside. It was time to put it back in and see how it goes. First, I was skeptical, hoping that it would work, because I actually wanted to drive the bike. It was the weekend and all, but let's see. Just give it 1-2 primes. Prime it a few times before you actually start it. And voila, just like that,